UAAP Season 74 women's volleyball action continues here at the arena in San Juan City, and Sheila Pineda has really turned it on for Adamson University, playing with a sense of urgency in what could be the most crucial game for the Lady Falcons here in Season 74. But this young FEU team has shown time and time again that they are a tough cookie to deal with.
Yes. Again, always a challenge when you're up against FEU, no matter where you are in the standings.
And even Coach Ramil De Jesus of LaSalle admitted that FEU gave them the most difficult time in the first round. Really surprised them, taking that game to 5 sets.
Look at Pineda on her 7th point in this set, in the first set alone. And we're not yet over.
Vargas. She needs to come alive for FEU.
Zapanta trying to ask for a check, no goes. Too much of a looper.
17-11 in favor of the Lady Falcons. Both these teams split their elimination round meetings in Season 73. Nice serve there by Giselle C.
12-17.
These two teams actually figured in the finals of UAAP Season 70.
Team captain, Giselle C.
Of course, that was won by FEU in game number 3.
Still Dakis in that team. Zapanta with a down the line. So, mukhang ito yung game plan ng Lady Falcons. They have been going down the line and has been successful so far in this first set. So let's see the adjustments coming from the Lady Tams later on.
Majorie Rojas rather denied there by that single block from Zapanta. Vargas over that double block. Kinlog goes up to foul, but Vargas wins that joust.
That was just a poor decision on the part of Makatuno to give it right away. Actually, it was Kinlog to give it to Pao Soriano, while Vargas was just waiting on the other side.
Great presence of mind by Rosemary Vargas rather.
Missed set. Not connecting that time was Makatuno and Pao Soriano.
Let's try to listen in here.
Dito ang coverage nila eh. So dito tayo magdadrop sa gilid-gilid dito. Hindi pwedeng sa likod ng blocker dito. Okay? Ha? Sino magsaserve? May target lang muna. Bigol. Paano mo maigi yan? Ilak mo yan. So hindi siko ang pambablock, hindi braso. Ang palad mo itapat mo sa bola. Ha? Kailangan nyo. Ikaw kung nasa gitna ka, medyo cover mo yung zone kasi hindi naman.
Well, from that huddle, you could see that Coach Nes Pamilar wants the girls to go for drop balls, for placement shots. And on the other side, yun na nga sabi niya, kailangan i-lock it down the line. Because Adamson has been scoring in this first set, going to that zone 1, going to that down the line hit.
But that time, Adamson varying their offense. Look at this, Pao Soriano. Unafraid to go up against that FEU double block, and Agno unable to handle that.
Vargas, too much power behind that spike. That goes out.
Adamson trying to pull away to take this first set. Giselle C goes to Wyneth Eulalio.
Eulalio getting the check.
15-20.
FEU still sticking with it. Both teams know the importance of this afternoon's game.
so much weight on the movement in today's game, no? In this particular game, yung ang laki ng panalo at talo, ang laki ng iakyat at baba.
And the way it will affect the other teams in the standings as well.
That's right. And again, after which, the games after that among the teams FEU, UST, and Adamson will be so much more important.
Score.
Let's try to go to the other side now and listen to this Adamson huddle.
Pumunta sa dulo. Pumunta ka pa rin kay Pay.
Basa. Okay. Tumaas yung bola, oh.
Pag
Para
nag-running,
bang tanong hinihintay mo, igaganon mo na lang.
Side lang
Pwede
yun,
mo
side.
ano yan eh. Tapang lang, oh. Tapang. Okay, come on, let's go.
Sino magbabakwik?
Okay, wag nyo lang ano yan. Tara.
Mami Dulce Pante just trying to wake up the ladies and not let this one slip away.
Yep. Needing only 4 more points to get the first set.
May Zapata, serving.
Vargas.
Oh!
Oh! Eulalio
My goodness.
hitting her best ball of the afternoon.
What a quick hit. Look at this connection. The Celti to Eulalio in spite of 2 blockers. Eulalio just so spectacular in that last play.
The most experienced player on the FEU squad. They need a leader. Eulalio can
Guevara
step up.
taking one of her own, taking that moment with a quick hit too.
And like Eulalio, Guevara also sat out last year, UAP season 73, but before returning again this season. Bagang
Wimbaga.
gets the point for FEU.
Yes, FEU trying to inch closer. Eulalio now on the line.
For FEU.
So it's going to be Rojas and Bagang in front for FEU.
And they've been going to Bagang here in the first set. Vargas from the back row. Vasquez popping it up. Makatuno. Oh,
Free ball given to FEU.
another chance here for Adamson to set up. Pineda. Dug up nicely there by Eulalio that time. FEU keeping it alive. Bagang tipping it over. Kinlog keeps it alive for Adamson. Pineda denied. She'll try again.
Oh, this time, this is what you like about Pineda. She is a thinking player as she goes for a push on the second one after being blocked on the first try.
You said it.
Look at this. And yung perfect lang yung, yung power behind that tip. There was a support behind the block, pero tamang-tama lang.
Pisa, the backup setter, comes in for Adamson University.
And Bagang once again finding that area, that down the line hit.
And Coach Nes Pamilar really giving a lot of confidence here to Bagang. They've been going to her a lot here in this first set. Soriano, good for her. Sends Adamson to set point.
Wow, Soriano, look at her go, and she really wanted that area. No one even close for defense on the side of FEU.
Another rookie coming in for FEU, Charlene Gillego. Vargas. Can Adamson take the first set here? Yes, they will, courtesy of that Pao Soriano spike.
And again, Pao Soriano making sure she closed out this set, and they take it away in this very crucial and important match.
Adamson University looking to force a 3-way tie at the 3rd spot here in this very intense race to the Final Four. Second set coming up. This is the UAAP Season 74 Women's Volleyball Tournament.